We are going to prepare a chocolate mousse for all chocolate lovers. It is a very interesting dessert because it contains no sugar, no chocolate bar, and is very, very healthy. It is ideal for snacking, for having in the morning for children because it will contain polyunsaturated fats, good fats that are energizing and beneficial for our brain, helping us stay focused throughout the morning and afternoon, and it will be very satisfying. And what does this recipe include? It includes avocado, which must be quite ripe, xylitol, which is a sugar alcohol that will replace sugar. We are going to use cocoa, pure cocoa powder, which should be fat-free and also sugar-free. Coconut drink or coconut milk, which should not contain added sugar either. We simply want the sweetness from xylitol and cocoa. And the coconut oil will also provide that richer texture. It must be pure coconut oil. To prepare our recipe, we will start by putting the ingredients in a blender. First, the avocado. We can simply scoop it out with a spoon. And if it is ripe, it will be very easy. We are going to put the avocado in whole, because since we are going to blend it later, we don't need to chop it or anything. We will also add the other half of the avocado now. Next, we will add the xylitol, which, as I mentioned, is our sugar substitute. You can also add some molasses, rice molasses, for example. Stevia can also be used, which is a very natural, good alternative to avoid using sugar and to add sweetness because, of course, in this recipe, we need a sweet flavor. Otherwise, it won't taste good. We will add a tablespoon of coconut oil. Coconut oil solidifies when cold, which is why you see it has this texture, but that will work well for us because it will be a cold mousse and will give it more density. We will also add pure cocoa, fat-free, with no added sugar. Pure cocoa, of course, tastes bitter, but by adding the xylitol, we will have the sweet flavor. And finally, our coconut drink, a natural coconut beverage that simply contains coconut. Look at the labels carefully when you buy plant-based drinks, because sometimes they contain a lot of sugars and added things that we don't want, and the only ingredients they should have are coconut and water and a little more. And now we are going to blend with a powerful blender that will mix the entire mixture well. Well, that's it. The mousse blends quickly because the ingredients are soft, so it doesn't need much blending time. About a minute at most, and we have it ready. Perfect. Well, you see what density it has. It looks incredible. Now we are going to serve it. It is completely creamy, which is the idea because it should be like a mousse, a cream that makes you want to eat it by the spoonful. It can be decorated with chocolate chips, seeds, or some red fruit on top. Then we can use our imagination and add whatever we want, or simply enjoy it as it is. But you see how good it is. And it doesn't contain sugar, dairy, or gluten. It's simply a mousse made with avocado, cocoa, and coconut. And it tastes delicious.